Hey guys, this is Kapu Gaming back at NB Live Mobile. Today is the last day of this live event. 12 Christmas All Stars. Sorry guys if it's a bit noisy in here. We're having a party. Also, they released this new Winter Master Tracy Mcgrady, which needs 100 of Snowman collectibles, 20 gold small ball players, 5 gold five elite small ball players, and 5 winter players. It have in all the lineups. Also, these new sets in these elite winter players, you need to put Jaleel Okafor, Kristen, Brandon Ingram, 10 gold players, 10 silver players turn a elite player, and here you need 3 elite winter players and 50 snowman collectibles to get an 88 overall winter players. So without further ado, I will open these presents. First, it is holiday present, which gives you, I think, a snowman collectible. Again, guys, sorry if it's noisy in here. As I said, we're having a party. So, just going to finish all of these. Ah. Oh, he gave me cookies. I don't know. Oh, network channel. Also with this new cool background. Hey Westbrook, you chilling there? Ah, internet so slow. Thing. I can't find a place to make this video. That's why I make it in my room, but it's still noisy in here. So sorry guys. I forgot to tell you they released these new live events, Winter Flurry and Winter Blizzard. I don't know what it gives. Also they released these new legends, Bill Russell and Bernard King. So going to unclaim items again and open these presents. Uh, Tomorrow's Christmas Day. Can't wait to open that right gift. I hope it gives you good things, maybe a 90 over player or maybe an 88 over player we will do, or a legend. I don't know. Maybe it only gives you something for this day or maybe that day, or I don't know. Maybe just a winter player. Who knows? Let's wait for tomorrow. Maski anong adventure, achieve ang goals. With smooth and fragrant hair na sumasabay sa'yo. Sunset now renewed with argan oil and fresh floral fragrance. Makes hair smooth and fragrant. Last two and we will go to another present. And so this is another present. I don't know what it gives you. Oh, it gives you a gold winter player. Can we pull an elite here? I don't know. another Miles Turner. Hey, we got that Jaleel Okafor, so we only need Chris Dunn and Brandon Ingram. Denzel Valentine, Ish Smith, another Jaleel Okafor. Hey, we got that Chris Dunn, so we need that Brandon Ingram and yeah. Maybe we can finish that set. Hey, yes. Last one. What's this present? Oh, it's the 50 jersey present. I will open that last. First, we will do this Snowstorm pack opening. So I only have 5 cards. And nothing good. I hope we can pull an elite here. Oh, this is not good. So for the last one, can we catch an elite? Oh, the answer is no. So on with this. So I hope it gives you a elite winter player. So 3, 2, 1. What? What is this? Motivator winter player. So that's not good.
Pero ang mabuti naman at lahat tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan, di po ba? Kaya sana po ngayon ay medyo kalimutan muna natin yung lungkot. Pwede ba magkasiyahan muna tayo? Naisip ko maganda siguro kung magpalaro muna tayo.
So here we go, guys, with our elite winter players. So who do you think is going to be in 3, 2, 1? Hey, we got Michael Conley in the small ball lineup, which is my best lineup. So update team, and there we go. Oh, not that. And that. So that's it, guys. This is Cup out. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.